Guys, welcome back to another new video of a new product. It's a Dream Wave. As you can see, a black color box with a gramophone design, and as you can see, it's a Acer brand product, but it's a wide level product. As you can see, everywhere around the box, no Acer branding or anything else. Just simply stick a Acer label sticker around, like made in India, 2025 unit. Okay, but it's a white label Chinese product. As you can see, made in China there. Okay, so let's unbox this product, and I got this product around $8 around. So let's unbox this product and let's see what's inside. Okay guys, let's unbox this product. As you can see, Dreamwave in the box. As you can see, front wave. Okay, back. In this bag, as you can see, product name Dreamwave speaker, model number ACBT 100, battery, PC, ABS, material. I think battery and material exchange their position. Okay, uh, entire charging time, speaker 40 mm. Okay, 5 watt, 4 ohm, single speaker, charging time 2 and 3 hours, and white noise duration. White noise, it's a special feature in this speaker, 6 and 8 hours up to. Bluetooth playback up to 4 to 6 hours depending on what you set. Implement standard. It's a wide label product because, as you can see, it's a Rus made in Chinese product. Okay, but as you can see, it's a Acer is import this product in India, Bangalore. As you can see, November 2025, made in China, 4,000 rupees MRP. Okay, per revenue. Let's unbox this product. Okay, so user manual we don't need, USB C type charging cable, as you can see, no needed. Let's unbox this. Okay, as you can see, there a volume control knob and it's a mood control knob. As you can see, white noise mode, Bluetooth mode, TF mode, and aux mode. Okay, and a big display there, uh, and backside also, as you can see, TF card, aux, and USB type C, and I think this one LED indicator for charging. And top side, as you can see, a 540 mm 5 watt speaker, and back side, as you can see, a radiator, and there mention model number ACBT 100, battery capacity of 1500 mAh, output 5 watt, Bluetooth version 5.0, made in China. Again one barcode and sticker, and I think it's as you can see, it's a very classic design, old type. uh, it's a power on button, off and on, design very cool. As you can see, and a CD type circle, colorful wave LED present. I think it's a volume control button, it's a aux mode, TF card mode, Bluetooth mode, and a white noise cancellation mode. As you can see, it's a sea atmosphere sound. Let's change button for white noise cancellation. uh, Tap this. It's a fire atmosphere sound button. It's a jungle or it's a forest atmosphere wave button. Next, and battery low. Sorry guys, battery low. I don't know. And guys, this one control LED modes. As you can see, it's a 3 type of modes and 1 off mode. Okay, just push it, and it's also control your clock. I think press it and set your clock timing. I think for just $8 it's a pretty good device, futuristic look, and also a old classic gramophone design. If you like the video, please subscribe us, and if you watch this video on my YouTube channel, so you want to purchase this product, I already featured this product on YouTube feature a section on my video. And if you watch on me on Facebook, so you can buy this product via description link or and comment section link. I already share this link on comment. Okay, if you want any query and any question about this product, please comment below. I reply you on comment. Thank you.